Yo mga ka-football! Welcome back to another video. Andito naman tayo for another quick trip of the day. We got another one. Today, bubuksan naman natin itong Panini Donruss Soccer Pack. So, 15 cards lang to at ang lupit ng lineup sa cover. Makikita natin si Chiesa, Pulisic, Messi, Son, Nunez at Haaland. Kung nandito yung mga faces na yan sa harap, sana may swerte tayo sa loob. Maybe we can get some inserts, rookies, parallels, or kahit anong hit. So tara na mga ka-goal, buksan na natin to. I'm excited. Let's go! First, we got Adam Wharton ng England. The next, Balogun ng USA at Antuna ng I believe Mexico. Duran, Colombia. Then Crisante ng Italy. Then we get Koulibaly ng Senegal. And we got Musiala, Germany. And we got another German card, Ter Stegen. Oh, we got an optic holographic card, Kang In Lee. An optic card as well from Pedersen. Oh, we got a holographic optic card from Luis Diaz. Then a zero gravity card from an Italian legend, Del Piero. Yusuf Rookie Kings ng Nigeria. Then we got another Rookie Kings card from a very good rookie from the US, Kavan Sullivan, and lastly Valentin Barco. At mga ka-football, maliban sa optic at rookie cards, we actually have several hits today. First, yung Sullivan Rookie Kings card. Isa siya sa pinaka-young at exciting prospects, especially here sa US. Meron din tayong Retro Vibe Zero Gravity card from Italian legend Del Piero. At syempre, I believe ito ang pinaka-the best sa pack na to is Luis Diaz Optic Holo from Bayern Munich. Ang linis ng finish ng card at nagpa-pop din yung colors niya. Comment nyo po kung ano yung mga nakuha nyo sa football packs nyo lately. Ano ang pinaka-fire pull nyo. Again, kung gusto nyo pa ng daily quick clips, unboxing at iba pa, paki-like, subscribe at i-hit ang bell icon para updated po kayo. Again, this is Rick Q. Peace out mga ka-football.